Hey guys, it's Mary. Seems like it's been forever. Um, it hasn't been that long. It's a long time. Um, but life got in the way, and as much as I've meant to get up here and do some crafting, sometimes life just wants to take over. So, but I've got a card I wanted to share with you today. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I send cards to my seniors, senior group, and every month they give us new names of new people. And so this month, I decided, since it is Valentine's Day, I just wanted to send something a little extra special to them, besides the regular hi, hello there, thinking of you card. So this is a combination of so many companies. First of all, the design is a Gina K class that I took last week. So that's the where I got that idea from. The background stencil is from Crafter's Companion. The hard hands are from Spellbinders. And the stamping is from Gina K. And the ink and cardstock's from Close to My Heart. So it is a mishmash of companies. But I thought it turned out really cute, and I wanted to share it with you. So it's a regular A2 size. I thought about using, doing a panel and putting it on the panel, but I just went with it and just put it directly on the card. So, and it worked fine. So let's get started. I've got a card base here, and this is Gina K masking magic, as she calls it. And we're going to take this and put it here on the bottom. And it is, let me measure for you, 1 inch. Let me see. Yeah. So I cut that at 1 inch. Let me put this up here so you can see better. Okay. So we're masking this part off. And then the stencil, I'd looked for a heart, but I didn't want it to be too much Valentine's. This stencil is Going Dotty from Crafter's Companion. And you can use any kind of stencil, obviously. And I'm going to hold it down here. So I'm using a pink, and it's Ballerina from Close to My Heart. Any pink will do. And then Candy Apple from Close to My Heart, but any red will do. So now this is a technique that I learned in that class from Gina K. And as far as doing an X across, so I'm going in with a lighter color and then going from top right to bottom left side. And if it's not exact, it's okay. And then down this way. And then we're going to change colors and go in with the red. A little crooked, hold on. There we go. And then we're going to fill in the areas that we didn't do. And I'm not worried about it being even or anything. And then I'm going to come back in with the pink. And go across everything and kind of soften and blend. The pink right there. All right, so that's it for our stencil. And then we can take this masking magic off. And you can reuse this over and over again as it stays sticky. So I just put it on something to hold on to it. There's our hands. The hands are from a card kit from Spellbinders that I missed it the first time around, but I was able to pick it up when they were having one of their sales. I think it was maybe their Black Friday sale. And it's two different dyes. So the black, obviously, is you cut out. And then you go in with the skin color. The only thing that made me crazy doing this, because it wasn't hard, but they didn't attach the pinky to the hand. So and I guess, you know, for effect because of the shadow or whatever. So these two little pieces I had to attach individually for all of, I have 13 cards I'm doing, so I had 26 little pinkies I had to put together. So I got a very, very thin strip of black cardstock. Let me put this one down here so that you can see. I actually cut this one thinner than this one because I thought it would look nicer. And so I'm just going to put a little glue on this. I can get it over here. There we go. And I want it to go right up against the dot pattern. Making sure that's straight. It's a little off, so let me move it up. All right, we're just going to cut the end off. And then I've got this Sending Lots of Love and Hugs. That is a Gina K. It came from a bundle called Love. And the bundle actually comes with stamps, dies, and stencils. And I have it still set up in my MISTI. I prefer using the MISTI because, especially if I'm working on a card base, because it would be hard to line it up if it didn't take well. I mean a card. If I was using just a, you know, not the card base, but just a top sheet. I can't even think of the word. Then I wouldn't, you know, if I ruined it, then I could just throw it away, but I'd have to start all over again. So, all right, so let me get, I use the VersaFine Claire. I like the VersaFine because it's crisp. Then we're gonna stamp here. And this is just a little stamping press that a really inexpensive one that I picked up at LDRS. And let's put a little bit more right on the love. It's a little spotty right there. And that, I think, is from the texture of the cardstock. Let me get this black smudge off of here. Perfect. So notice the little dots up on top, and you know, you can use anything, like I said. How they're kind of lighter and darker. I like the gradual. So all we have left is to put our hands up and get them into position. Make sure I don't have anything on here, so that they make the little heart. I bought the whole kit just for this die. It's like, which is why I waited for it to go on sale, because it was like, I love these little hands. All right. I'm not going to press it all the way down yet until I get this one. Just in case I have to move. And this glue, this adhesive is, gives you a little bit of time to move. All right, so let's get this one lined up. Looks like it needs a little bit more glue right here. Let me hold that down for a second. All right, so that's it. Normally I don't stamp a sentiment in the card. I write something personal. They usually give us information, like something that they like, or, you know, so all right, there you have it. So, like I said, it's a quick card. The hardest part is, the longest part, I should say, was getting the pinkies glued in and not losing one. That's always my problem when I'm doing things. I lose. So there you have it. And it's not necessarily, I mean, you know, if you had the hands, you can use it for anything, you know, sending love, thinking of you, and if you're not well, you know, or get well. I just thought it was really cute. So anyway, so hopefully I won't be away as long as this last time. I've got all kinds of stuff to do. It's just getting life to cooperate so I get up here and do some stuff. So anyway, so that's it for today. I thank you for watching. If you're a subscriber, I thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. I would appreciate that too. So until the next time, stay safe, stay well. Oh, and if you have this carrot kit and you've used it, please let me know in the comments. I always love to read the comments and things people have to say. So, all right, so until next time, happy crafting. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.